What's up, guys? All right, so I have a 2005 Mustang GT that I just installed the harness along with the harness bar in the back. Now I'm going to show you how to disable the seatbelt chime. That way you don't have to try to cut or disable anything. I will walk you through the steps. It's super easy. And of course, I'll show you how to reverse it if you need to. So let's go ahead and jump right into the driver's seat. Let's go ahead and turn that chime off. All right, guys, so the first thing you want to do if you have a 5-speed or 6-speed is you want to put it in neutral. You don't want it in any gears, and you have to have your park and brake up. If you're an automatic, just keep it in park and brake up, and then keep your headlights and everything off. Doors closed, and then you're gonna put the key into accessories mode. Don't turn on the engine, just where you see all the gauges come on. And then we will pay attention to the seatbelt light, which will stay on for about a minute. Once that turns off, then we will cycle through inserting and removing the seatbelt 9 times. You have a minute to do this, and then we'll walk you through it. All right, so this is the light we want to keep our eyes on, the seatbelt light. So yeah, it takes about a minute. Once it goes off, then you start doing your cycles. After that, it's pretty straightforward, guys. It's very, very simple. All right, so we're gonna insert it. There's 1, release, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, release. You'll see the airbag light come on. Once it turns off, you insert it, release it one more time, it'll flash, and there you go. It's disabled. Now to reverse it, you do the same thing. You do it 9 times. Once that airbag light comes on, it'll flash, and then it'll flash for a second time saying it's disabled. So very, very easy. Now I have no more chime when I use my harness. So you do the same process on the passenger seat. Make sure you keep your eye on the seatbelt light. Once it goes off, do your 9 cycles. And once the airbag light comes on, insert it one more time and release it. Then it'll flash, and then it's disabled. So very easy, guys. Hopefully this helps you. There is no other video for the 2005 to 2009. And there you have it, guys. Do not cut or disable anything. Don't unplug anything to that safety belt, because you don't know if it disables the airbags itself. If you get in a car accident, you just completely disabled the system. So don't cut, don't unplug, just cycle the seatbelt into the harness. So enjoy your harnesses, and of course, be safe out there. And until next time, peace.